Yeah, I can't really see. And
We'll sell this for $42,000. I'm just joking. I'm just, side hustle. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll take you around my garden, my balcony garden, to talk about some beautiful flowers and show you a bouquet I made for my garden. I hope this inspires you to start gardening or get new ideas for your garden as we head into spring 2026. If you have a balcony garden, love growing flowers in pots, or enjoy gardening tips and facts, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. So comment down below. Okay, you guys, just like I did for the house, it's time to clear up some garden things for Christmas. Taking down my Christmas decor. So sad. It's like after January the 6th, so that's got to go in there. And where else we're going to go? We got Mr. Penguin is going to go. You know what? I guess I could have shaken these out. I'm just going to put them in this storage here that I have for my balcony. I got this at Home Depot, I think. And we'll see you guys next year, hopefully. Okay, bye. And look, I have my fall flag here too. This was given to us free from Cupcakes. Person that does cupcake snails. So awesome. I love it. And we're gonna take out another one. So I'm gonna use this garden flag I've had. Does it remind you of anyone? Yeah, I got this at the on Amazon and had it for like maybe a year or two. So we're just gonna put it on this stick here. This garden stick. It's not the most sturdiest thing, but we're gonna do what we do. Here we go. These are the snapdragons I'm growing. Make sure I have a close-up. What I did was I transferred this into a bigger pot. Okay, you guys, so my snapdragons, they are here, as you guys can see. My snapdragons are so tall. I finally transferred them. When I was transferring them, I accidentally, my boyfriend was helping me. We were transferring as careful as we could be, but we accidentally one of them snapped, so I just replanted them. Hopefully it's that type of flower. If you can replant it, it will grow again, And so they were originally in this pot right here, so I took it out of this pot. We were careful. Like I said, my boyfriend was helping me, and so now they're in this nice tall pot, and I can see by looking at them it's going to be a pink bloom like this one. So I got the variety pack from the Dollar Tree store. The variety, this is like over a year ago, and they come like with many multicolors. I think it's like yellow, pink, green, blue, so many colors. So far I'm growing pink blooms, and hopefully they will come out pretty soon. It's still January, but hopefully that's the sun. We finally got sun here in sunny California. More sun will come and we'll have that. I also transferred this pot. This was a sunflower that was in a smaller pot, so now it's in a big pot. And I have my white zinnias here that I'm going to cut this. They say if you cut the head, you'll have a potential of more blooming. But I kind of think I waited too long because I just love to see them grow. So I'm going to cut this and I'm going to put it part of my beautiful flower vase that I made. And I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, so here I have my white zinnia. I have growing in this pot. And then I have my beautiful bouquet right here. So my yellow sunflowers that were growing, and then my purple salvias that are perennial. They're always going to come back. I took a few and added them into this jar. If you guys watch some of my videos, I just love collecting jars. So this is an old salsa jar that I kept, and I'm just using it as a vase. So here we go, that. And then I'm just gonna cut the top. So you see the 2 leaves, they say I like to cut around here, but I want the stem to touch the water. So I'm going to cut it at the second pair of leaves, which is right here. If you guys can see, it's 1 pair of 2 leaves, and then go down the stem, you have another 2 pair of leaves. So I'm going to cut it right above that. I know I'm not a professional gardener, you guys. I just have these scissors that I keep outside. Don't worry, I don't bring them back inside to cut for my garden. So here is the stem right here. Can you guys see that? So beautiful. I love these. I have pink ones, and the white ones are my favorite. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but I planted these like almost a year ago. You guys excuse my brain, but I planted these a while back, and they never grew, and they all of a sudden started to sprout. So there we go. Here is my beautiful bouquet from my garden. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, I just used an old mason jar, not mason jar, old salsa jar, and there you go. Your own bouquet, growing in your own garden. So I like to suggest, like, you know, if you just have a pot, this big or small, you can grow your own garden. I love it. It's beautiful. You guys, check out my bouquet 2026. It's not officially spring yet. It's still winter time. It's January, but I love picking flowers from my own garden and making a bouquet. I will sell this for $42,000. I'm just joking. I'm just, you know, side hustle. I love it. So beautiful. So I got my salvias, I got my sunflowers, and we got the greenery, the leaves. Beautiful. I love it. Cupcake, how much would you pay for this bouquet? How much would you pay for it? You guys, check out my first bouquet of 2026. It's not spring yet. Cupcake, you know what? Thanks for watching. Start growing.